So here we are in Baghdad, California. Got a helicopter out there somewhere. About 8.6 miles away. I'm sitting on the town limits, on the edge of town. There's houses next to me and driveways and cars and people living there. So don't be jumping me because I am off the base. I am inside of town. And it's definitely not Baghdad. It's definitely not Palm Springs or Palmdale. Whoa, there's the helicopter. We got a chopper. 2 choppers. Inside Baghdad, we got 2 choppers flying. See, this is tough, so don't explain. I can't just sit here all day and do this. This is really, really tough to follow a chopper at 8.63 miles away. But I'm doing it currently. Where they're going, I'm afraid to even look out. I'm too busy filming. But those are the choppers. They're just right over the ground. They're flying out to Joshua National Park. This is tough. I might have lost them. I was not expecting choppers. They might have flew over the... Yeah, I'm looking out now, so I have no idea where I'm looking. Anyway, I'm going to try to zoom back over to Baghdad. Bingo. That was pretty cool to see 2 choppers flying over Baghdad. Baghdad, California. Did you guys all know there's 7 Bagdads in the country? Baghdad, Arizona. They do copper mining. It's pretty cool. That, my friends, is Baghdad, California. I'm going to sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Let's see if I can actually stabilize some of this. Nope. Doing this spotting scope with a phone scope is pretty tough, but I'm trying. Doing this with an iPhone 12 Pro. And there we go. I have little experience with this, so forgive me. But you are looking at Baghdad, California. While I'm filming this, I have no idea what I'm looking at here. I'm actually looking for the choppers without looking through the scope. Let's see if I can pull them back in. They are indeed flying over Joshua National Park. They're start actually doing a lap. They might even come visit me here. It's pretty windy today. It's been gusty. I've been sleeping in my minivan, and the van actually was like bumping side to side. I thought I was going to flip over last night. It got that windy. The helicopters disappeared, so they went off to Joshua National Park. Sorry about that. It's kind of like I'm got it a little stiff mode. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See if I can get the Hercules in here. I have no idea if I'm catching him or not. But I am trying. It's that tough to see the screen. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off. So that's Baghdad, California. As soon as I sign off, I bet you they start dropping bombs and all kinds of stuff.